So Shay is almost 8 months old, right Shay?
Fly a drone with my friend Nate.
We're in the country.
Hey guys, I am flying a drone and hopefully not going to crash it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You doing some exercising? Good morning, guys. Friday morning here, and Aaron's off to work. Shay just went down for a nap, and he's awake now, and Anna's doing some yoga. Who's in here in this red room? Who's in here? Hi, happiest little thing. Look at all his teeth. Alright, Shay? Come on. We're so red. Hi, guys. Maybe I'll do a little Shay update in a second. It's too red in this room, so we'll go into the living room. Ah, the red room!
Orange room.
Oh yes, the room is orange. We have a red blanket over Shay's window, so it is very red. Hi. You love each other? Alright guys, this is Shay. Shay, say hi. Shay. Oh, your mother doesn't vlog. This is why I don't vlog. Shay says da 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 all the time. Yoga babies. Do you think this is exciting vlog footage? No, you don't. You must ignore all this junk. I'm spring cleaning, so all this stuff over here, besides the stroller, is all being donated. So I'm waiting for Aaron to take out our winter tires out of the trunk, so we can put all this stuff in the trunk and go donate it. Uh-oh.
What is this?
So Shay is almost 8 months old, right Shay? Mama. Mama. Daddy's at work. And Shay has 6 teeth. He has a couple that are almost through. Yeah. He's wearing 12 to 18 month clothes, some 18 to 24 month clothes. He's a big boy. He's noisy. He's wild. Likes to move. He's crawling pretty good. Yeah. He's sleeping great through the night. Yeah, you are. You're a little needy, but you're pretty good, huh? Feel like the camera needs to see you. We haven't seen you in a long time. Daddy's gonna hate all this boring footage. But he always wants to know what we're doing all day. So this is it. Oh my god, oh, your diaper's falling off. There you go. How's that? Alright guys, we're outside trying to clean up the yard. 800,000 piles of dog poop that have accumulated over the winter. This was Aaron's house when he was a kid. I think he moved here when he was like 5, maybe a little younger. I don't quite know. He doesn't really know. But he lived here his whole life, and lots of remnants of like broken toys throughout this entire yard. Warm 20-degree day. I have no coffee today. So I'm trying to get Aaron to come home on his lunch break and pick me up a black coffee at McDonald's. Aaron, bring me coffee. That'd be great.
Well, hello guys. It's been a little bit since I've been on the vlog and since we've been vlogging, so I don't know what Samantha's been doing, but I'm home for lunch.
Soup for me, Daddy.
I brought some soup for you, didn't I?
Yeah.
Bonk. Oh my goodness. So later, I'm going to go fly a drone with my friend Nate. Take you guys along with me.
I really want to go to movies with you, Daddy.
Oh, you do?
Huh?
Brought me my coffee.
Alright guys, I'm going back to work. Work is done. Hello, Shay.
Here, I'll show you her seat.
Yeah, let's go. So much country.
We are in the country. We're in the country.
It's like Nate.
Get this camera out of my face.
Nate, the
I've always wanted to do that. You know what I mean? Be all dramatic, like reality TV. Get that camera out of my face.
diva. So we are going to fly the drone, have some fun, hopefully not crash it, and try to learn how to use it. Wait, say hi, vlog.
Hi, Rock.
What are you doing?
I just have Zoya's house.
Whose house yet?
Zoya's house.
Jedediah's? Well, it's our first time, well, not first time, but first real time in the daytime flying it. Nate, how'd you do?
I did good for the most part. Really bad landing though.
Yeah.
I wish I had that on video.
Yeah.
Should have been recording it. All right.
I'll put it this way, got some dirt on the old
Let's try
propellers.
right here.
Hey guys, I am flying a drone and hopefully not going to crash it. I am no expert, but I did play a lot of video games. Nate had a lot of turns. My turn.
No, I actually had one turn and it crashed.
Yeah, so you're cut. I am now joined by Steven. So hello. Welcome
Hi.
to the vlog.
Thank you.
We're married and parented.
I don't know what to do.
You just
What,
stand
we're
there
all
awkwardly.
married? That's awkward.
I know. Hey, guess what? I didn't crash
We're
the
married?
drone. Well, you're not married to each other. Gosh.
We are parented, I suppose.
Yeah,
Okay, fair enough.
that's it. I didn't crash it, just for the record. Selfie. Nate,
Yeah,
it's
buddy?
like sending your child off
I
school
know,
for the
I
first
know,
time.
dude. It's like
their baby.
my heart's just like, I'm like, go Steve, and inside I'm like,
Why are you leaving
I want to take a dump.
Well, flight school is finished for the night. Going home.
Alright guys, we are headed back home. We had a great supper at our friend's house. Got to fly the drone, crash the drone.
I didn't crash it. Nate crashed it.
That's what he says. As long as someone crashed it to
Get that over with.
get that over with, because we knew it was going to happen. To go an alternate route because there is some major flooding, as you guys already know. Oh, and this bird. That's a Holyoke Lane. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Thank you for watching our day. I know it started off pretty boring. Probably the majority of it's pretty boring because it's just me and the kids, and that's about it. But we're headed home and
People like you.
people like me. I wonder why. I'm awkward, can't talk. Looks like I got a mullet. You see that? It's just growing it out. Alright guys. I'm sure you'll see lots of Aaron and the kids tomorrow since they are going to be home all day long without a vehicle, and I'm going to be in Moncton doing makeup on a man for a commercial. Give us a like and subscribe. And we will see you in our next vlog. Bye guys.